This is the video to help with task 16. This is all about relative minor keys. And the rhyme that I've often talked about in the last few videos is Father Charles goes down and ends battle. Because for keys that have sharps in the key signature, we need to start from this end and it will tell us the sharps in order. And from the other end, it'll tell us the flats in order. So for that first one at the top, and to fill in that first column, the column says the sharps or flats in this key in the order they're written in the key signature. And that's when you write your music out. So this is really, really important. So those first four, Father Charles goes down. And the major key, as we worked out in task 10, or was it 9? Might have been task 9, was E major. Now to know which key is related to E major by the key signature, known as the relative minor key, we need to think about the notes in the scale of E major. Let's just jot them down here. You don't have to do this for every key, but just as an example. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, and E. So those are the notes in the scale. If we give them all a number, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, because it's the same when we get to the E at the top, it's actually number 6 that's most important, because the 6th note in any major key is its relative minor. So C sharp minor. And essentially what that means is that those two keys have the same sharps in the key signature. And we'll see as we go on to future tasks why it's so important to recognize that relationship. Tonally, those two keys are very closely related. So it then makes it easier when you're writing a contrasting section to go into the relative minor than a different minor key, because it enables you to transition more smoothly. Now to complete this task, you have to complete each of the boxes on the chart, but I'm just going to give you one more example. So let's do the example that is for a key with one flat. So if it's with one flat, we start from the other end of the row at the top, so that one flat must be B flat. The major key that's got the one flat in the key signature is F major. Again, I'll just jot out the notes, but a reminder, you don't have to do this for every key. Once you get used to doing it, you'll be able to work it out in your head maybe. And the 6th note I've written down there is D. So the relative minor of F major is D minor. And that's how you do it.